Hi, today I have WILKA Euro cylinder, half cylinder with a pretty interesting QA. Come on, focus. It's unfortunately without key, but yeah, we don't need that stinking key. So I will try to pick it. It's a pretty interesting pick, and I'll try it's a stock lock, so doesn't matter probably, but I'll try clockwise with of course my favorite deforest diamond. So one from the start is binding, so click on one, click on two, nothing on three, click on 4, and let me check, nothing on 5. I think it's a 5-pin lock, but we'll see. I'm not sure now. Again, 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, click, and we're in full set. 4, nothing, I think pin number 5, it's binding. It's the Q is a little bit tricky, but not that tricky. So counter rotation from 5 or 6. I'm not sure. I think I set pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I set pin number 5. Now I'm on 1. I think the counter rotation pin number 1. Oh yeah, and we are open. Oh, the C-clip is not. Give me a second. Give me a C-clip is like. Let me try to. Come on. Let me try. Okay. Now we are good. I do not have a key, so I need to go like this. Where's my pinning tray? So let me. I need to hold it. Where's my pinning shoe? I think I need to go with a pinning shoe. Okay. Now we're good. I think so. I can. I save it like. Yeah, it's a 5. No, it's a 6-pin lock. Yeah, that was pin number 6. That's why I did not count them. So yeah, it is what it is. So let me drop them first. 1 standard. Oh no, it's a serrated one. 2 serrated. Oh wow. 3 serrated. 4 serrated. 5 serrated. 6 serrated. Wow. Pretty nice key pins. That's why it was like pretty awesome feedback. And let me check the core. Nothing is done the core. Yeah, it's a stock core, so what can you expect? And let me check the drivers. I will go like one by one, like trying to, I don't know if you can see, but I will try to move it like little by little. I think pin number 5 dropped. Yeah, it's a spool. Pin number 6, sorry. Pin 5 standard. Pin 4, I think it's dropped. Yeah, again standard. Pin, sorry, but I need to do it like that. Pin 3, it's again standard one. And pin, yeah, pin 3. Pin 2, come on, stop. It's a spool, pretty interesting spool. And pin 1. It's a standard. Oh, I drop everything. Yeah, give me a second. I want to get all the springs. Come on, they're all the same, I think. I need one more. Yeah, there it is. So come on, the body is standard one. So let me rearrange a bit. So I will now give you a close-up. Stop. So as you can see, 1, 2, 6, all the key pins are serrated, and like different serration. For example, this is 1, 2, 3 serration, 3 serration, 1, 2, 1, and 1, 3, 4, and 5 are standard drivers, and 2 and 6 they're spool. Let me give you a close-up of the. Yeah, it's pretty interesting serration, pretty nice key pins. And here is the spool. Pretty different, a bit different than the usual spools, but pretty nice. So pretty nice lock with a pretty interesting keyway. So that was WILKA lock, picked and got it. So guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.